The sudden death of a 26-year-old man who was employed by the immensely popular London Bagel Museum bakery has stirred controversy on whether or not chronic overwork was behind the tragedy. The family has called for a formal probe into the matter and claimed that the deceased worked 80 hours work weeks and that just 5 days before his passing he worked 21 hours straight. His body was found by the family at the bakery's dorm for employees in Incheon last July. The family said on Tuesday that they had filed an industrial accident claim with the Korea Workers' Compensation and Welfare Service. They stressed that he was in good health but argued he suffered from extreme stress while preparing for and managing a new bagel cafe branch. This, they said, ultimately led to his premature death. The bereaved family then released his online chats and public transport records, which they say showed he put in an average 60-hour work week over a 3-month period. Meanwhile, the police closed the case, citing no signs of foul play based on the autopsy carried out by the National Forensic Service. Regarding the incident, the London Bagel Museum has said it is deeply saddened by the worker's death but denied the family's argument that he worked excessively long hours. It said the worker applied for overtime only 7 times over the 13 months he worked for the bakery. These total some 9 hours, and the average weekly work put in by the deceased stood at 44.1, nearly the same as that of other employees who averaged 43.5. The company said the family's claims differ greatly from its internal findings. In light of the attention the case has received, the Ministry of Employment and Labor said it is reviewing the allegations raised by the family. If it decides to conduct an investigation, it will focus on whether the maximum 52-hour workweek rule was followed and if the employment contract was lawful. An official for the ministry said for now the ministry has found some grounds to look more deeply into the case and predicted a decision will be made on how to proceed on this matter.